how to find your saved payment methods on Udemy, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it. First open your browser and then go to Udemy, and once you're here click on your profile in the top corner, and then here you will find your profile settings. Then go to this one here, payment methods, and as you see here you will find your saved payment methods, and I don't have any saved payment methods, but if you have you will find it here, and that's it. Then just that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.